Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we're taking a look inside the Essentials edition of A Certain Magical Index Season 2 on Blu-ray. So here is the cover, the spine, the back, which we'll zoom in here and there. And then you open it up and you get that artwork. Then you get disc 1 of the Blu-rays, 2, 3, and 4, and then you get this artwork. And then first come, first serve, whoever wants it, the Funimation digital download code. So this has been A Certain Magical Index, Season 2. Thank you and have a wonderful day.